I love the two words you use: compete fearlessly and collaborate efficiently. Which one is more important for you?
Both. They're equal. Comparative race. Excelling in adversity or against people who are, in some cases, better than you, but you still find a way to be able to compete. So, and then, of course, there's funding which has come in this industry. There are centers of excellence which have been established. And so you've got to move away from this thought process that everything has to be done internally. And that's where collaboration would come in.
And you have gone through some very good changes in your leadership. You have 2-3 leadership changes, and all of them were very different challenges and very different opportunities. So how did you manage them? What did you learn from them? What will you like to tell your colleagues and the rest of the future CEOs that they can take it from you, or what they can say, don't do it?
The first point is to have your crew, your people, aligned with your values and aligned with your culture. This is the most important. Apart from the experience, apart from the knowledge, the universities, whatever is very important, but the first point, above everything for me, is to be aligned in values, to share the same culture, and to go in the same direction. So this, for me, is the first point. The second point, or key success for me in this industry, is to integrate the distribution channel into your business a little bit more, because take into consideration that normally some distribution in the past was a different way. It was more focused in the selling activities, and for selling the bio products is more important.
You are converting almost like a chemical generic company into a biological company, or creating a new division.
Discuss, we evaluate, it's not working like this, so what we need to do next. But we have a clear path, we know where the future is going to be, we have an excellent portfolio on hand, we just need to implement now and execute, and we learn from mistakes and embrace them and take the next steps. So it's a bit of all of those.
No, that's very good. Your business life, professional life started with a challenge, not with an opportunity.
You just move forward, go ahead, and do your best, because you will always be supported. So yes, it was a challenge that we could overcome all together, and that allowed us to create then Hello Nature and other businesses we are into today.
A lot of collaboration was discussed, and this is a leading question, because not only I want to understand your companies and yours leadership principles, but also with Lena and or your 360-degree platform. Then you also have a Chemetech. So as a CEO, how do you keep the distinction, and how do you keep the 360-degree platform working successfully and make this Lena available to everyone, which I think can do wonderful things?
In your decisions, and sometimes you don't know what's going to happen, right? So in Chemetech, every decision we made, we try to get the excellence in everything that we do, and we really want to impact in the society, in the growers, in the farmers, in the planet, right? So we realize that, we have sales, we sell biostimulants, we sell also biofertilizers in 90 countries, but our impact in the market is limited, and the level of investment is also limited. So we created Lena as a part of our, let's say, new technology implemented in the R&D. The main purpose was to accelerate the time of the research,
to capitalize on tremendous opportunities while managing challenges and temptations. The first thing that actually occurred to me was a bit more personal. It's about preparing yourself as a leader to be adaptable, so that as those changes and as those challenges come to you, you can bring forth the type of resilience you need to ride those waves, to look for alternatives, to be comfortable in your own skin when you're facing things that may make you stressed, a little bit nervous, not the norm. So change is something that we will face at all times. We are currently in in an interesting place because it's a great increase in the interest and adoption of sustainable solutions and alternatives to traditional agricultural chemicals.